Hello, good day. This is Ken Lau. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Scenario Manager. But before that, let's see why do we use that. Now, assuming that you have this model and then right, you have a tax relief, this is a tax deduction, right? So there are 6,000 and you want to find out what if there are greater deduction. So nature the things to do is you change the figure manually and you get that money estimate. Now, if you want to go back to the present, which is 6,000 tax relief, you can change that, no problem. How about if you have a lesser deductions, say 4,000, you got a different PCB. So 4,000, 9,000, 6,000, right? Right, here is only changing one cell. If you have five cells that need to change, every time there is a new scenario change, there's a new set, new situation happens, you got to change that five cell. It will takes you a lot of works. So Excel has devised this feature called Scenario Manager to help you. I'll show you what it means. So let's click on this 6,000, right? So that is the base model, we call that. Go to data, go to what if analysis, choose scenario manager. So I have created something like this, right? So you can see that if I change greater deductions, this will change, lesser, this will change. So how do we do that? Let's just delete this and we're gonna do it from fresh. Okay, add first scenario, you give that a name. You can have space, right? Changing cell, you can change more than one cells and it doesn't need to be contiguous. You can put a comma and then select the other, right? Or maybe this. Right? You can change more than two cell at the same time, right? So I'll click OK. So I got one tax relief, the other is the money salary, and click OK. So that's the presence, right? 4,000 tax relief 4,000. Um, yeah. So let's say present is this, right? And then we click add another one. We can say a greater deduction. So greater deductions, right? But because or probably you have 6,000 tax relief, but then your salary changed to 3,005, and click add. Do you actually pay more PCB or less if you have greater deductions? The next one is you click add another one, you choose lesser deduction. Again, lesser deduction, that's because you have 2,000 and then 2,000 tax relief, and then you actually have higher monthly salary. So we click OK. So here you are, right? So if it's present, this is what present is. Greater deduction. Why greater deduction? It could be the monthly salary. So let's just click show. Now 3,005 tax relief 6,000. You actually paid 83 if it's present. Click show 4,000, 4,150. Lesser, click show lesser deductions, right? That means less. If it's 2,000 and then that's because monthly salary has increased. So click show, right? You actually pay 466. So that is scenario manager. It gives you a handy way to record multiple cell change, which change at the same time in each of the different scenario. And Thanks for watching.